Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about some of the maintenance costs on my 2015 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. I've owned this car for over a year and a half now and put over 80,000 kilometers on it. I'm happy to report that I haven't had any major issues with it. Before continuing with the video, please hit that subscribe button as it really motivates me to make these videos. Number 1, oil change cost. This engine uses full synthetic 0W20 oil and 4.3 liters of it. An oil change at my local Mobil 1 dealer cost me about $88. It takes synthetic oil only, unfortunately, so you can't put anything else. Number 2, engine air filter. The air filter costs about $30 and is recommended to be changed every 30,000 kilometers, depending on use. Number 3, coolant change. After this vehicle reached 100,000 miles, I went to my local Mobil 1 dealer and did a coolant drain and fill for the main system and the inverter. This ran me $80, which I think was pretty reasonable. Number 4, CVT transmission fluid change. I've yet to change the transmission fluid. My Mobil 1 dealer quoted me $1.80 for the drain and fill. Again, super reasonable considering the Ford dealership quoted me $150. Number 5, tire costs. Since this is a front-wheel drive car, I have to switch between winter and summer tires. Thankfully, the tire size is 245/40 R19s all the way around, unlike my Genesis, which had 245s in the front and 275s in the back. These Maxxis winter tires costed me about $900, and this is my second year using it without zero problems. My summer tires costed me around $750 for all four. Expect to pay anywhere from $115 to $450 per tire, depending on the brand and quality. Also, make sure to rotate these tires every 12,000 kilometers, because the rear tires tend to have inner toe wear due to the camber and the weight of the hybrid battery pack. I rotate these tires every oil change, which is about every 9,000 kilometers. Number 6, spark plugs. I changed out the spark plugs myself as it was a very straightforward process. The original spark plugs were platinum plugs, but I replaced it with Iridium ones. I went with the Iridium ones because, first of all, it was just a lot cheaper than the platinum ones. That's the only reason. The platinum would have costed me $84 for 4 plugs, whereas the Iridium plugs only costed me $50 for all 4. Last but not least, cabin air filter. It is recommended to change the cabin air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. The cabin air filter costs about $20 on Amazon and can be easily installed yourself. Well, that's pretty much it, folks. This car has been really good to me so far, and I hope to make more videos about it in the future, so hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.